For centuries, the moon has inspired us, but it may also hold the key to our future. Scattered across its surface is a hidden treasure, helium-3, a rare isotope deposited by the sun's solar wind. Unlike gold or diamonds, helium-3 could power our world for centuries. On Earth, it's almost non-existent, but the moon's unprotected surface has absorbed vast amounts over billions of years. Why does this matter? Helium-3 is the ideal fuel for nuclear fusion, the process that powers the sun. Fusion with helium-3 is clean, producing no greenhouse gases or long-lived radioactive waste. Just 1 ton could power a city of 10 million for a year. Scientists estimate over 1 million tons lie in the lunar soil, enough to transform our energy future. Imagine cities powered by clean fusion, free from fossil fuels. The race to claim this lunar fortune has already begun. Helium-3 could be worth trillions, and whoever controls it could shape the future of energy. This isn't just about keeping the lights on, it's about redefining our relationship with energy and the planet. The moon's silent surface may hold the solution to humanity's greatest challenge. The question is, who will get there first? The next great leap for mankind may be powered by the moon itself. What makes helium-3 so special? It's all about fusion, the process that powers the stars. Most fusion experiments use deuterium and tritium, but these create radioactive waste. Helium-3 fusion combined with deuterium is different. It releases energy as protons, not neutrons. That means cleaner, safer power, no long-lived radioactive byproducts. A helium-3 reactor could deliver abundant electricity with minimal environmental impact. This technology could end our reliance on fossil fuels and solve the world's energy crisis. Clean fusion energy would power homes, industries, and even enable new technologies like large-scale water desalination. Developing nations could leapfrog straight to clean energy, bypassing the fossil fuel era. Energy could become a shared resource, reducing global conflict. The quest for helium-3 is about more than mining the moon. It's about building a sustainable, equitable future. Imagine a world where energy is limitless, clean, and available to all. That's the promise of helium-3 fusion. The future of power may be written in the stars and mined from the moon. How do we get helium-3 from the moon to Earth? It's a new kind of gold rush. Robotic rovers would scoop up lunar soil, braving harsh conditions to collect the precious dust. The soil is heated to release trapped gases. Then helium-3 is separated and stored in cryogenic tanks. These tanks would be loaded onto spacecraft for the journey home, creating a trade route across space. This lunar infrastructure could support science, tourism, and future missions to Mars. China's Chang'e missions and private companies are already testing mining technology. The tools for lunar mining are advancing fast. The moon's resources could launch a true space economy. The cosmic gold rush is no longer science fiction, it's on the horizon. The question isn't if we'll mine the moon, but when. The moon is waiting, and humanity is preparing to answer its call. The next era of exploration will be driven by the search for helium-3. The race is on. The promise of lunar helium-3 is huge, but the challenges are just as great. The moon's harsh environment, extreme temperatures, radiation, and abrasive dust makes mining incredibly difficult. Building and operating lunar mines will require breakthroughs in robotics and materials. The cost? Astronomical, hundreds of billions, maybe more. Who will pay? Governments, corporations, or global partnerships? Legal questions loom. Who owns the moon's resources? The Outer Space Treaty says the moon belongs to all humanity, but resource rights remain unclear. Without new agreements, a lunar land rush could spark conflict. Despite the obstacles, the dream of helium-3 pushes us to innovate and collaborate. It inspires a new generation to look to the stars. The journey isn't just about energy, it's about our future as a species. The moon may hold the key to a cleaner, brighter world. Are we bold enough to reach for it?